Welcome to Master the Basics series. In this learning series, I am going to share key insights from all walks of your life. At the end of this video, don't forget to share your experiences in the comment section. So why wait? Let's get started. Every journey in life begins with a single step, a foundation upon which everything else is built. These first steps are the basic essential elements that open the path for growth and success. Mastering the basics in life is not just important, it is crucial. Without a strong grasp of these foundational elements, progress becomes difficult. For example, let's consider a student. Without mastering the art of reading, writing, and comprehension, excelling in more complex subjects remains out of reach. Similarly, professionals cannot achieve excellence without a deep understanding of the fundamental principles within their field. Similarly, in life, mastering the basics is about more than just skills. It's about taking care of oneself. Remember, everything begins with the head. How we breathe, what we think, how we think, what we eat, what we drink, what we listen and see. These actions are fundamental to our existence and overall well-being. Taking proper care of the head not only influences our physical and mental health, but also extends to our emotional, intellectual, financial, and spiritual well-being. When the basics are honored and cared, they serve as the foundation for a balanced and fulfilling life. Remember, you are the architect of your life. You are responsible for what you think, what you consume, what you perceive, and ultimately how you feel. Master the basics and you will find that everything else falls into place. With a solid foundation, you can build a life that not only survives, but thrives. Finally, what you feed to your mind, body, and soul matters. Better the input to your mind, body, and soul, better the results in every walk of your life. You are responsible for your life. Your ability to respond to every situation in your life matters a lot, and that's what makes the difference. Strive to become the best version of yourself, and I wish you all the very, very, very best. So, what basics have you mastered in your life? Leave your comments in the comment section. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next Master the Basics video.